Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be doing does the ghost bun really work? I know there's many videos out there, but everyone has a different experience and this was mine, so don't take it personal. It's just a video.
Y'all, I'm filming with another camera, so bear with me because this lighting, it won't pick up the lighting. But anyways, I'm headed to the photo shoot for my hair and lashes. So I'm taking you guys with me, honey, so you can see. And I'm gonna put me on camera once I get outside so you can see how I look outside. Y'all can see that color a little bit. Ooh, it's popping. It's popping, honey. Check me out. Check your girl out. Website www.mesmerizedbeauty.com. I got lashes, bundles, wigs, you name it, honey. I got it. So without further ado, stay tuned and wait till I get to the shoot so y'all can see how your girl get lit stirred up.
Okay, you guys, so does this glue work? Okay, as I was headed out in the humidity of Houston, I'm about to show you guys right now what was going on. So my lace did start to lift on each side, if you can see, it was coming up. The ghost bun glue cannot take hot temperatures, okay? So my lace started to lift, but where's a remedy to fix it is you put the lace, reattach the lace back because it still has the glue tacky, and then you take some cool air, because I turned my AC on because it was hot, and you're gonna melt that lace right back in. As you see, that's what I'm doing. I turn my AC up as high as possible to get that lace melted back down so that I can go ahead and get ready for this shoot. And you can see right now it's back tagged, it's back intact, everything laid back down, as you can see. So the ghost bun can reattach itself back down with the adhesive. It's still there, it's still tacky, but I would say you gotta apply a lot of layers if you want it to really stay, but it's not a humidifying glue, shall I say. So if you guys want to purchase it, in for beginners, I would say it's great to use, but if you're an expert, you might want to go a level up and get you some better glue. But that's my opinion on it. Make sure you check your girl out on all social media. Thumbs this video up, like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with a friend, honey, because they need to know what's popping, okay?